to sit here.
Why? This motherfucker has been looking for the power button on my TV for the past 5 minutes. And he can't find it. Yo, and he's pissed that I turned the camera on. And that's why he went and sat down. So he doesn't look mad dumb.
Where the fuck? It's not even in the back. It's not in the front.
Oh, shit. This is awesome.
Alright, where the fuck is it? How you Yeah, I swear to God, yeah. Is it shit touchscreen or something?
Oh, come on. Oh, shit.
Where is it, though? I'm being dead serious.
Alright, I'll give you a couple more minutes to find it. You've already been at this for like
I've looked on the whole
7
Are they
minutes.
On the TV?
Huh?
Are they on the TV?
It's on the TV.
Bullshit.
What do you mean bullshit? Where the fuck else would the power button be for the TV if it wasn't on it?
Yes, sir.
Oh!
I even felt it too, because down here, I felt down here, on these things, down here.
Yep.
Right here. And I thought that was, yeah, I told you I could find it.
So that took you like 7 minutes, and I only got 2 minutes of it recorded. That sucks.
Yeah, sir. Do you have Assassin's Creed?
What?
Do you have Assassin's Creed?
No, my husband has Assassin's Creed. Say bye. Peace.